sure. All right, you got change on you?
You got my change.
I have
I
some
got
change.
$5. I can go get change from you.
Okay, I have $6, $7. That's more than enough to rinse it off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray this crap. Spray! Look at it, this stuff is absolutely amazing. Max power.
Power it, wash it off.
Oh my gosh, look at it. We just kind of sprayed it on.
Don't take any more stickers off.
No more stickers off this time. But that's actually, I'm really impressed with this stuff.
Yeah, look, it's kind of pouring all off.
I know, eh? That's really good for, especially for these wheels.
Yep.
Okay, I really don't need, I'm not going to be spraying, for the most part, it's not dirty.
No.
Just my wheels.
It's just the wheels.
I want to keep my stickers on.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do yours here. Give me a sec.
Yeah, this one's dirty and everything. It's all dirty.
The back one is cockapoo, eh?
Oh yeah, that's what I was saying.
Oh, is that another biker there?
Yeah.
Another biker. For the most part, yours will be fine, actually.
Yeah. I just want it to look clean, you know?
Look clean for tomorrow's ride. Yeah, that's fine. That's good.
Yeah. So what are we just gonna rinse it off? Or?
Yeah, we're gonna set the setting to soap.
Okay.
So, the setting to soap.
Soap phosphorus.
Yamaha. Okay, here, let's put, the minimum you gotta put in is $3, so what you do is you put in the highest amount.
Yeah.
Take that and go over where to your bike is. Get ready to, and alrighty. Try not to lift the stickers up this time, right? Go, press. Yeah, should be some soap there. And try not to shoot into the muffler, right? Because otherwise you'll fill up the engine. So, there we go. Yeah, do the rim nice and tight. Okay, give me a second, I'll rotate it. Nice. Take it, you dirty girl. Woo! Like that. Have you ever seen those soap cannons? Yeah. I don't know. What do you think about that? I'd like to try one day, but I don't know.
God, that's hot, dude.
What, the water?
The water is hot.
Yeah. Okay, do the back part of the wheel there, because then I'll push it back forward again. Wait a minute. Okay, there you go. Okay, you did the back part of the wheel?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, I'll push it forward now. Give me a sec. There. There you go. It's Agent Rob here. Welcome back to another episode of It's a Dyer saying having fun watching the bike, getting them ready for tomorrow's ride, which is going to be the pre-July 4th day, right? July 4th is not tomorrow? What are we?
Second.
We're the second. Oh yeah, so July 4th is in 2 days, so happy...
We're not in the States.
No, but happy July 4th ahead of time. Hope you guys all have a fantastic day. Yeah, I gotta rinse, take the soap off of mine. We still got 5 minutes there, so let that sit in. Alright, I'll go now.
I sprayed my leg.
Huh?
I sprayed my boots.
Oh, your boots?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess now your boots all wet?
I don't know. It could be sweat, it could be water.
Oh, gross. I like these rims, but oh my god, are they they're definitely a challenge to keep clean for sure. So, okay, I'm going to back this up now, just so we can get the other part for the rim. I'm not washing anything else. So,
I I didn't power wash any stickers off this time.
Yeah, I know, poor WR, eh? That stuff, like, I didn't even scrub that. I just kind of sprayed it on and that was it, right?
Yeah.
So, okay.
You know, I wouldn't mind the power washing one stickers off, but it's Yamaha, so.
I know.
Put it on.
Okay, rinse, rinse, rinse. Takes a while before the soap kind of runs through the system here.
Oh yeah, it's all sitting in the hose.
Come on. There we go. It almost looks like it's wax coming out of it. There we go. Alright. Did I put wax on? No. Wax on, wax off. No, that's water now. Alright. I just wanted the rims and the wheels nice and clean again, that's all. Yeah. That's good enough. Huh? Okay. Here, you do yours, you rinse yours. I'm going to move my bike out of the way. Okay, give me 1 second here. This way. Okay, I'll move yours up. Give me a sec. Okay, there you go. Rinse it out. What's that?
It's still a little soapy.
Alright. This is the best way to do it though, for sure.
Definitely.
Alright. Are those wheels clean? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's much better. What are you doing? Dancing the top or what? Are you excited for tomorrow's ride?
Yeah.
So, hey, do you want to put the saddlebags on it or not? Or are you going to leave it like this?
Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe.
Make it into a tour, cruiser tour bike. So, this is in 2018, right? If I recall properly?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, 02, so February 2018, so that's 2018. This was the first edition that they did when they swapped it from the FZ07 to the MT07. So that was, yeah, starting 2017 was the last one, right? Yeah.
Alright, we're good.
Huh?
We're good.
Still got a minute.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Okay, wait, let me...
Oh, hold on.
Wait, let me do the... Yeah, rinse them out. Yeah, so they changed the seat on the 2018 version. Seat, they changed the front fender, but it's still a plastic covering with a metal tank underneath it. And is this plastic? Is this plastic? Yeah. Yeah, plastic. So everything is still plastic on it.
We're good.
They changed the tailpiece. They changed the seats, which I don't like the seat on this one. This is like now like the new
I don't like it either.
the MT09 style seats, right? So engine and other than that, frame and everything still exactly the same. Made it into an ABS version. They changed the flasher location because the other ones used to be up here. So there are a couple of some refinements that they did, but for the most part it's still exactly the same. But other than that, it's still fun, eh?
Yeah.
Better than the scooter. Well, you're not going to get rid of your WR.
Never.
No. Good boy. All right, just put her back. Oh, it's so hot.
Oh, dude, I feel like I've been in the water.
Huh?
I feel like I've been.
Here, we can dry this off.
Holy shit, it's steaming.
As long as there's nobody waiting here to come in. No, everybody's done. So.
Is it fine like that?
Yeah. What?
Steaming?
Yeah, it's fine. That's good. Don't worry about it. So for the most part, yeah, gotta watch, eh? That poor sticker. Those stickers, because of this paint on this bike that we did, has that, what is it, ceramic coating, right?
Yeah.
Ceramic coating. And because of the ceramic coating is so glossy and so slick, it doesn't take much to rip these decals right off. So anyways, we are good to go.
Yeah.
You're good to go.
Yeah.
Here, let's just dry up your seat so you can sit down so you don't feel wet. It's good for your, good for breathing in this helmet. And I don't know, how's your helmet? Mine's getting soaked today.
Mine is like drenched.
It is, yeah. So we'll make sure they dry up real good. So, just don't. It's kind of semi-tacky, right? So you don't want to drop it on the floor because then it picks up the shit that's all over the floor. For the most part, you're going to get wet anyways riding back. Well, we don't get wet, but you get kind of splittered with a bit of soap. Just be careful, just watch as we're leaving. Because you got anyways, that's it for the most part. That's our super day of watching the MTs. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for tuning in for another episode of It's a Dyer Thing with Mr. Sagey Boy and Rob. Woohoo! You're having way too much fun. Or I am, one of the two anyways. You still don't like that headlight. You know what? Yeah, like you said, it's
a ground headlight. It looks like a ground headlight.
Kind of look like a ground headlight. Yeah, you know what? You're totally right on that.
I just like the new style of headlights for those.
Yeah, for sure.
I think it's cleaner. I think it's more well done.
It'll be interesting to see. Yeah.
It looks like there's more effort put into that.
Than this?
The headlight, yeah.
Yeah, you know. For the subtle changes that they did, they could have done something a whole lot better, right?
Oh, my pegs.
Huh?
Oh, they're going to get wet anyway.
Oh, yeah. I wouldn't worry about them.
Can I have that quick?
Yep, sorry. I never put my sticker back on, too. I need to put a sticker back on. Oh well.